Hello everyone. This multicooker needs repair. The lid got stuck and does not open. Don't rush to take your multicooker to a repair shop. You only need 15 to 20 minutes to fix this problem. Remove the bottom cover. Unscrew and tighten a few bolts. Put everything back together. And that's it. The lid opens easily again. Unplug the multicooker before repair. Let's get to work. We need a screwdriver and a ball. We all know what we need a screwdriver for. The ball will keep the multicooker in place. It will catch the water and food when the lid opens, so you won't have to clean up later. To remove the bottom cover, unscrew one screw. Then turn the cover about 1 centimeter counterclockwise. Insert a screwdriver into the slot. Lift the cover and remove it. We unscrew the 3 bolts. Then we take them out with tweezers. These 3 bolts connect the outer body to the inner heating container. The multicooker pot sits inside this container. Now, turn the multicooker body about 1 centimeter clockwise relative to the inner container. The multicooker lid opened easily and the water drained into the bowl. This is what the bowl is for. Warning, I made a mistake here. After opening the lid, I put the multicooker into a bowl with water in it. Luckily, the water level was low, so the control board stayed dry. If you already understand how to open a stuck lid, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now I'll show you how to reassemble the multicooker correctly. Before reassemble, note that the bolt holes have different shapes. One hole is round and the other 2 are oval. This keeps the inner container in the correct position. First, I align the round hole in the body with the threaded hole in the inner container and screw in the first bolt. Then I screw in the other 2 bolts in the oval holes. Don't tighten the bolts fully yet. Before tightening the bolts fully, place the multicooker in its normal position. Make sure the rubber seal sits evenly and the gap is the same all the way around. Only then tighten all 3 bolts fully. Now I start installing the bottom cover. The cover has slots and the body has tabs. These are the tabs on the body. Place the cover on the body and align the screw holes. Then turn the cover slightly counterclockwise. Then press the cover down and turn clockwise. Slots go under the tabs and the screw holes line up. When the screw holes are aligned, install the screw and tighten it. That's it. The multicooker is back together. The lid got stuck because it was put on incorrectly. The brand name on the lid was to the right of the control panel. Then the lid was closed in the usual way by turning it clockwise. Always close the lid according to the instructions. Place the lid on the multicooker with the brand name to the left of the control panel. Then turn the lid counterclockwise. Don't use force. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck and all the best.